You welcome to my live stream this morning. As you all know, my name is Akili Shimatari Double Grace and Shimmerin TV here on YouTube. So I'm happy to be here with you guys this early morning. This morning I just visited the studio, trying to see how we can work on the next movie, which I'm going to drop on this beautiful, wonderful, lovely YouTube channel for you to enjoy. And I'm so happy that you guys are always here to support, watch, and then stream my videos. I really, really appreciate you. Maximum Yilama. I really, really, really appreciate you. Yeah, now Maxwell. I'm so. Oh, yeah, don't. Okay, we know how much, man. If I think you're on shooting, you know, you're back and shooting that. Mm. Oh, okay, now, I need to get back to Mona. Mm, thank you. I'm going to with bigger. So sorry guys, I gotta pick that call because it was very important for me to pick the call, and yeah, after filmmaking has different step that you take to produce your film and to bring it out. And those of us who are upcoming filmmakers, sometimes it takes us 3 weeks, 1 month, 3 months. It depends. Like this one is gonna take like how many months? Give and take. Ooh, let's say 3 weeks because it's a short film, and some of us like as we're starting now, we're just using camera, like one camera. Look at this camera, it's powerful. Canon R5, about $3,000. It's good. It's a good stuff. So, and we have mic, tripod, and we shoot. Come to the studio, we edit. After finishing editing, the next thing we preview and then fix some necessary issues that we have. Then from there, we upload on YouTube. For now, there's no market apart from YouTube. YouTube is the market where we bring our films and then upload. And we don't have links to other platforms where we can upload our movie for us to be able to end. So for now, YouTube is our ending place, which is a great place to upload your films because a lot of people watch videos on YouTube here, and YouTube has been a great, wonderful, and a lovely platform for creators like us to create content. And anytime I come on YouTube, I'm happy. I started YouTube for a very long time ago, and I was just trying to see how I can make a good content on YouTube. So I tried different things. Then the next thing I just tried local content, producing local movies, and then I see how people were trying to get into it and they were getting engaged in what I was doing. So I was so happy that okay, let me just put more energy into this so that we're able to create something that will be able to so that the people will watch. And thank God I tried it, create the first movie, second movie, and I think the third one. So right now I have about 3 short films that I've shot, and we're editing them now. So in the next 3-4 months, and you have those videos here on YouTube that you'll be able to watch, and then you know what is happening. And if you are new here, I would ask you, please, you can subscribe. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, because if you love movies, you can subscribe. Hmm? If you love African movies, you can subscribe. But on my live streaming, you always see me. I'm talking about myself, what I do, and basically lifestyle. That's what I do. So, but when it comes to video, you have local content, African content, good quality African content. And with this R5, no matter how little it is, with this zoom lens, is serving so greatly. It's giving us that beautiful looks like, it is, the content for the YouTube is very nice, and then YouTube is accepting us very well. And one beautiful thing I love about this YouTube stuff, right? They will always give us sound for us to use in our production. You know how hard it is for you to go out there and then get sound for your production. It's not always that easy, but YouTube has provide in their library where you can get sound and then use on your production. When we do that, we always it's always great and easy for us to be able to score our film. My first film, second one, third one, those all the films were the sound were gotten from YouTube, and it was amazing. So I think YouTube should put more sound so that we can enjoy, especially all those beautiful cinematic sound. Let me know where you're watching me from, because me as a person, I love those beautiful cinematic sound. When you hear them, it gives me that beautiful joy. Like all those solemn moments where you have teaser, when you have that keyboard, the note to be hitting, ping, 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 ping. It's a great thing. You see, the computer is here. Don't think that I'm just sitting somewhere. Can you see? That's the computer. Can you see? Yeah. So I'm doing this because this is what I love doing. Sometimes it's challenging, yeah. When you produce film and then to do some logistics is crazy. But giving up is not an option, because I can't give up now. I've gone too far to give up, so I'll keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. And YouTube, if you are listening to me, if YouTube is watching me, please project our content. Yes, people that need it, let them see it and let them watch it and let them enjoy all the content. Because a lot of people are looking for this kind of local content and then they can't find it. For YouTube, you have everything on YouTube. So YouTube is a great place to be. And I always thank everyone who always come to my live stream to support me. As I hear you're watching me, you're giving me your support. When it comes to support, you must not come and give somebody money or anything. But you staying here, watching me, you are doing just a great job, which I really, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate. And thank you for always coming to support this channel, because it's a great channel. It's not that simple, but it's a great channel that you will come and enjoy some African stories. I have a lot of stories which I want to tell about African story, especially the one from the part of my state where I stay, Benin State, and maybe from there I can move from other culture. But there's this saying that they say nobody can tell your story better than you or more than you. You're the one that can tell your story the way it is. But yeah, that's it. So I'm so super excited to be here with you guys, talking to you. And if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from, so that I will say hi to you and then greet you, and then we'll talk. All right? Yeah. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Let's know where you're watching from. Like this one is on the screen here. the film that you see here on the screen is the one I shot. I think it was last year, and people loved it. At least we have about, I think, around 16,000 views. The other is about 10,000. The other one is about how many thousand? So we have, you know, good views. Yeah. And every view on YouTube is great, because you can't take YouTube views for granted, man. So who is saying what? Emily, come. Ah, there you come. Happy 3 friends. Hello, Carrier Ramos. How are you? How you doing? Where are you streaming from? Or where are you watching from? Welcome. How you doing today? Sometimes when you thank you for joining. We're happy to have you here, and thank you. If you're watching, just say something in the comment section, and then let me say hi to you. All right, Carrie Ramos. You were good. All right, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching from? Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Et. Okay, you're watching from Et. So which part of the Et are you watching from? You're watching from Et. So which part of the Et? Like, you're watching from Et. Okay. Which part of the Et? Yeah. Let me put it that way. Which part of the Et that you're watching me from? Yeah. So let me know where exactly you're watching me from. Are you watching me from where? Which part of the continent? Yeah. Yeah. That's pigeon. Yeah, thank you so much for your comments. I really appreciate you, and God bless you. What do we now strike go? You know, YouTube ka we to twa kwa chuku. Mom baby, you may what's him again man getting ka. Manga we ka ma gba love me kwanta. Yes, wait. Yeah, 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 oh, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. Whatever, don't worry, just open the door. Yeah, beautiful. Yes. So that's that. These are the challenges, man. We're editing down, they just took light. Nigeria. Nigeria. So stuff's happening. You editing the next thing, you see Nepal will just come. Boom. Thank you. So that's it. What can we do? Horse code. The light is gone, man. I have to wait for the light comes, man. I'll use it, man. I edit my video. So, welcome, guys. Where you watching from? Where you watching from? Where you watching from? You're welcome. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome. Just I'm in the studio. I'm in the studio right now, so I'm just trying to talk to my beautiful fans. James, how are you? Guys, please share this live streaming. Sometimes when I'm on YouTube, I just ask myself, maybe I've not gotten to that level where I will have somebody who, all those super chats, super thanks, and what do you call the other one? Membership. Maybe I still need to do more. Yeah. Maybe if I do more, we get more result. Well, but there are times when things like that come without you, trying to be, can I use the word anticipating? Yeah, when you're not anticipating, then they just come and make things easier for you. But it's okay. You're welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from, and let's have a conversation. It was nice to talk to Carrie Ramos. It was nice talking to you. You said you are on Earth, so I don't know the part of the earth that you're watching from, but it was nice talking to you. So, who is there, and who is there, and who is saying what? Because right now, as to speak, yeah, streaming on 2 platforms now. Streaming on YouTube, streaming on TikTok. I've gotten another phone to be here, streaming on Facebook. Another one to be here, streaming on Twitch, and streaming on so many platforms. Also, Jimmy Hill. Thank you for joining Sunagavan. Succeed, welcome. Anatisha, how are you? Welcome, how you doing? Thank you for joining. Then one. How you doing today, Anastasia? Vicky? Welcome. If you want to come out, just send request and I will bring you up, okay? I hope you're good. You're welcome to my live streaming.
Hi.
Hello, Vic.
Hello. Hi. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
Fine, thank you.
I'm not playing two ways. Three ways, four ways.
What do you say?
Three ways or four ways.
Me, I don't have somebody that will support
I don't
me.
want my streets to.
I don't have a supporter.
Same here. You. Next thing they will come now. They'll come and attack my streets. Mm-mm.
No, no,
I
no.
don't want.
I'm good, Anastasia. I'm serious. I don't have somebody that will support me. I'm serious. If you do, you win.
Let's look for someone else. I don't want anybody to. I lie you. I don't want anybody to attack my streets at all.
No, you will win. I'm serious.
Ah, leave me.
Have you not won somebody before?
Just leave me. Mm-mm.
Anastasia, where are you streaming from? Have you not won somebody before? The way you look, Seth, your face is just showing winning, 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 winning.
Slowly. I'm just trying to save my winning streaks. That's all.
Your face is showing you are a winner. You are a winner. You are a winner. You are a winner.
Amen. No,
You are
I
a
want to be a
winner.
winner.
You are going to win me. You are going to win me. You are going to win me. You are going to win me.
Don't whine me. For someone else, don't whine me.
Lagos. Okay, how is Lagos? Cosmos.
You can't whine me.
Cosmos. I greet you. And I just also Vansha. You want to come up? So I'm in the studio, so trying to look after my film. Then the next thing, NEPA took lights.
Are you an
Boom.
actor?
What?
Hello?
What is it?
Hi. Are you an actor? Are
Actor,
you playing?
upcoming film producer.
Sure.
Hmm?
Are you sure? Hello? Are you playing with us? Okay.
Oh,
Okay, you guys should accept.
oh, you think I'm not sure? I'm
Where are you?
sure. I'm not joking.
Where are you from?
Me?
See, you don't have anybody. Someone is tapping for you already. Oh, don't whine me. Don't whine me.
I'm in Benue State, Nigeria.
Igwe. Stop playing, man. You're an actor. Just tell me that you're an actor.
I said I'm an actor and a producer. Upcoming.
Wow.
I'm not big, so I'm saying I'm upcoming. I,
Eh?
I'm working on a project currently, so my money just
We're
go,
even following each other. Really?
my money just got finished, so I need to look for money.
So meaning you are not a broke man.
No, I'm broke. Money just finished. Yes, so Dollar Baby, good morning. Best Baby, good morning.
Wow, 22K followers.
Who is that?
That's me.
Who is that?
On your page.
You're looking at my page. So you can see I'm a film producer. Go through my page, you see.
Yeah, I'm doing that already.
But you see, money has finished, so I just gone to TikTok so that somebody will just say, let me bless you. Take, go and continue, my brother.
Oh, really? I'm looking like a Yoruba person, right?
Who? Me?
Are you
um,
from Yoruba?
no, I'm from Benue State. I'm a thief man from Benue State.
Guys, I have 4 people here. Can you guys tap from the guest? Please just tap from me. stream, please. Join your panel. That was Yoruba, right?
That's not Yoruba. It's Steve. It's not Yoruba. It's not Yoruba.
Why did you not want him to not dig the grave? Why?
Go and watch the video on YouTube.
Why did you want him to not dig the grave?
So yeah, go and watch the video on YouTube. Then you know why.
Everything is just all about grave, 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 grave. Oh my god.
That was a movie I produced last year.
Faith, welcome in. And what are you trying to say here? Can you explain?
No, I'm just trying to encourage my people how like they are hustling. They should keep trying and
Okay,
then.
so you are not encouraging us. With that, we.
No. Wait now. Wait. You said I should explain now.
DJ, what's up? Welcome in. Please start your script for me. Thank you so much, DJ. Thank you.
Sure, you said I should explain. I'm explaining now. You are. Now wow.
Yeah, explain. No evidence.
So Vicky, I'm trying to encourage you to do more, be strong, and keep pushing, and don't give up. No matter how life it is, just keep going.
Okay. If you don't tell me, how would I have known that this is what you're saying?
Yeah,
Thanks
if
for the follow. Please forward that for me.
you can show that to anybody, and then you see what they will say.
You're insulting me here. You're insulting me here.
Insult you for what? Why will I insult you? Why?
Because, what is this?
Gloria, what's that?
Is this Sokpa or what?
Yeah,
Okpa.
Momoy.
Native Momoy.
Yes.
See, thank God I chose 3 ways. You see, you back.
Who win?
Collected my ministry just like that.
Who win? Who win? Who win? Who?
They play.
Guys, thank you. Thank you. I never knew I can win somebody like this. So, Dora, thank you. God bless you. Aww.
Guys, for WhatsApp for me. It's only DJ that is for WhatsApping, guys. For WhatsApp for me.
How
Thank you.
how can
Can we use the bonus? Even in here on life now, I cannot even advise him. My lie, I can't. I can't even advise him. Guys, don't start from me, guys.
you can't even advise who?
I can't even advise you because she said you see this one, I can't advise him. And it's truth. Even on this last trip, I can't even advise him.
Well, okay, advise me. Let me keep quiet. Yeah, advise me.
I only advise you not to fish.
I only
advise you to not eat this fish. Don't eat it again.
What's that?
Don't eat it again.
The fish?
Don't eat it again.
Why?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat fish? No now.
But you said I should advise you now.
That is not a good advice now.
You said I should advise you.
That's not a good advice.
Thank you so much, DJ.
How can you advise me not to eat fish? How? Why? Fish is the best meat that I love. So you say I should not eat fish. You want to kill me?
Keep playing. Keep playing. One rule is to activate this.
You are winning now. You are just winning. You were just trying to prepare yourself so that you can win me more.
Thanks for the night. Thank you so much. One rose, everyone. One rose.
You are behaving as if you don't have somebody that will help you win, and you are winning me. Eh, you-
I don't have anyone here.
what's that? What's playing?
On my daughter's live stream.
Okay. Favor, welcome.
Princess, welcome in.
So where you from, Vicky?
I'm from Nigeria.
Which part of Nigeria?
Delta State.
Plateau.
Delta State, Joe.
Oh, Delta. Agbo. Are you at
I'm from
Agbo?
Delta State.
Are you at Agbo?
No. I live in Benin. Benin City.
Okay, Benin.
I based in Benin City and I'm from Delta State.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Benin. Okay.
Yeah.
I've been to Delta State for like how many times? Twice? I think twice.
Where in Benin?
No, Delta. I've been to Benin too now. But
Oh, Delta State.
yeah, I've been to
Okay.
Delta
Where
State
in
twice.
State, actually?
I went to Government House.
Where?
Delta State Government House. When when your former governor was governor.
My former governor, because my former governor was gone.
What's his name? The one that the daughter married from Benue.
But she was me.
Guys, please let's do this. See, if you watch my video, anybody that say you are watching me, if you watch my video, my last video, please support my movie project. Please, if you're here, you watch my last video. Support
Thank you, Jay.
my movie
So,
project.
it's been a while. You always come to my live stream and just go. What did I do? What's up with you? Happy New Year. You just coming and going. Not even a
Ephraim, welcome. Support my movie project, you, as God will bless you.
What's up with you? Hope you're good. Everything's fine, right?
You don't win now. You are happy now, you have
Yeah,
won.
you come and support me. Don't support him. Come and support me. I don't win now. You see.
You don't win now.
I don't win. I didn't win now. How?
When I don't win now.
How would they win now? How would they win now?
Now you and this our brother from is it Benin?
And the both of you now they win now. You guys should accept the match.
Me, I accept. This guy cancelled it now.
No, it's not cancelled. Cancelled it, right? Withdraw and resend. We accept.
Me, I'm accepting now. This other guy is not accepting.
Hello, can you hear me? I guess it's not there.
You see.
You guys are just sweeping my house early morning. It's well done.
This guy is not accepting now.
It's not
Thank you.
accepting. I don't know what is wrong. Is it there? I don't think so. Oh yeah, don't get that.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. It's declined. I think he can go. You can go. Don't want to. See.
Merci beaucoup.
Vamos.
Merci beaucoup, you don't want to play? You, merci beaucoup, if you don't want to play, you go so that we can play. Okay, brother? You decline is not good. Okay? Guys, let's tap the screen, man. Merci. Merci, Mosmonwe. If you don't want to play, you decline, and then we'll continue.
I don't think he wants to.
Let me face you now.
No, I'm not playing to. So I'm not
Do,
playing my
do
sweets.
this.
No,
Why now?
I'm not allowed to play my sweets.
I don't understand. Why are you scared?
Hey, I'm scared because you play my sweets with cheap coins, not even with big coins, with cheap coins.
You see, that's why I told you the first time that me, I don't have people that will support me. I told you.
You don't have.
It.
No, wait. See, calm down. You don't have, but someone gave you 20 something coins. You don't have.
That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Yes. That was a serious.
You are not.
See, that was even a spiritual mistake. Yes.
Let me bring my mama in.
Hey, your mama.
Yeah.
You want to bring your mama?
If she didn't come, maybe she don't want to play 3 ways.
Hey, mama. Mama, now you be that.
I'm satisfied.
Mama. Mama, Mama Migwa, Brendo. Migwa, Mama. Mama Migwa, oh.
What is Migwa?
Migwa. Not be data they speak.
Mama satisfied. What's going on? How you doing, Mama? Hope you are good.
Mama Migwa. Is it Bendo or Brendo?
What is Mingwa?
Then teach me now. You that you are from Edo State, you not teach me. You just say what is Mingwa.
Just for my language, not Mingwa.
Teach somebody something, let the person know. Okay, Mingwo. Data people, Mingwo.
God have mercy.
Amen. Hey, you no go work for me too. How? I don't understand. See, Vicky, see, me why they look for money, say no go work for me. Me I go produce you, you go watch, say no go work for me. Vicky, mean what?
It's only when you produce movie that concerns me, because that great movie that you just produced, I did not buy the idea of that great movie.
No, but you
I told you to not take the great.
See, you need to, if you go on YouTube, you watch it, then you understand what was happening.
See, get it us. You say what?
Thank you, see baby. Thank you. Mama the mama. No be my language. They try make I agree to na for na language now. No be say na anything. I try make I agree to na for na language and then. Okay, me go. Bendo, is it Brendo or Bendo? Brendo Migwo. Is what? Brendo, hey. Mama, thank you. Now you dey help me because Vicky just want to scatter everything. If I don't know, you just leave me. Let me just be doing my mistake and be going.
How me are you to the follow? How me are you to the follow?
It is what I really, by the way, Abby and you they follow.
How me are you to follow?
Eh?
I'm surprised to see that we are following each other. How did we follow each other? I want to know.
It's the Lord's doing, oh.
And it's marvelous in your sight.
In our sight. What he cannot do does not exist. You see?
It does not exist.
He's
Where you go carry this your friend come from?
he's the one that do all those. See.
This is tired me. You know, but you know, since that they ask us, how they know you? How me are you to follow?
So thank you for the follow. So me, I know be person where you feel no. Try God. Oh God. Oh God.
I'm just asking you how.
I don't know how. You can ask TikTok. TikTok can give you the date, how you take follow me, how I take follow you, how we take jam.
I don't know. But I think it's recently. Yeah, it's recently.
At least me now, if I see her tomorrow, I go know say na true you I take follow.
You see?
You know, say Wahala. Wahala don't knock on your door.
You see?
You know, say Wahala don't knock on your door.
See,
No, that time.
see, Mama, she just a win me. She has been winning me. You mess me, I would just call her a winner. Like winner's chopper.
I don't go surprised if she dey win you. Except say her mommy no enter there.
Hey, you see? You see? You see? Hey,
Mali.
the bunch.
See, now see person where they win, they say they win am.
The bunch. The bunch.
Mama, Mali.
The bunch, thank you. Hey,
For now.
the bunch, the Coco Master.
Which of the bunch?
The Coco Master. Hey, God bless you. Jesus. The Coco Mastic, the Coco Mobility. Likes mine. No, now the Coco Master. Vicky accepts.
No, most of them don't even know how to get. All those they don't even know how to get.
The bunch, thank you, my brother.
Which the bunch? Not the lady bunch, not the band.
See, Vicky.
I said that the band na from Temu.
No, it's not be tell now original the banjo. Now original. Now original, no be Temu. See, Mama, see, the banjo now original, correct one. Yes.
Now the band. The band from
Please, I know say you don't know how to
band down.
keep, but you go know how to press answer. So make it answer you as
The band down. Mama, the band down. I'm from Temu, the band down.
I'm from Temu.
Hey.
That one
Yeah,
is Temu the
the
band.
band down from Temu.
God of miracle.
Temu don't band down.
God of miracle. Now my papa, oh God of miracle. Come and save me, oh.
So,
The band enter your live stream.
Come and save me, oh. God send TikTok king, make he come save me, oh.
The band even get TikTok. Go for ads, so that the band get TikTok.
now what I just talk, I say this one is Temu the band.
So, wow. So the whole the band, the Coco Master. Hey, this not fair, oh.
Ever see that one about 14? I didn't say you say na Davido. I for say Davido they enter TikTok.
David, the hair, David, Tiwa, the hair, they hear you.
Huh.
The band.
Not be every day when they discover something. This one another discovery say the band don't come get person for your TikTok live. Now it's we go use and argue with your friends. Yes, now.
You know, my brother.
Oh, not be even the band. The name na the Ben J. The Ben.
Now the banj.
Mama, you go look her. You go.
That one that I thought I said this one and the one they order from you.
They go don't carry.
Hey,
They go don't carry.
now wow.
Wara.
When I don't plan me come, oh. Jesus.
If I go no one go.
Not plan me come. Delta. Delta.
Just pray, make the video enter your live stream. At least you know go gift you, but if you press answer for you.
Mama, I need that
Oh,
Azal.
the face.
That Azal, I need them.
Which year?
Oh,
which year?
what do they call him? What is this guy? They say as the name just disappear from my head. Those ones they enter TikTok. Victor Osimhen. All those ones they enter TikTok.
Ah,
You see?
don't worry. I love your dream. I love your dream. Your dream is very fucking big. I love it.
The dream when I dey dream, if God bring her to reality.
Senior, welcome. See.
Your own are to the press laughing effect. Your own are to the press
Mama,
laughing
no
effect.
say.
They go, I go tell
Mama, no
TikTok
say
when
your own
they
dream.
find this laughing effect.
How are you? See.
Mama, no say your own
Didi.
dream. Now, the full mood.
My own dream self that the owner of TikTok I won't see her eye to eye.
Best baby, welcome.
Oh,
So,
I get people, but for now.
Mommy Pat, me woman.
me,
Mama.
me go,
Mama.
me go. I beg, give me pure water, make I drink so that I will greet somebody. Me go. Guy, give me pure water, At least I arrange my throat so that I will be able to, say it well, like correctly. Me go. See, Mama, see, let me tell you something. When you were not here, Vicky said, if her mama comes, me, I did not even have anybody to call. Not even my dog. Not even my dog. There was nobody to call.
If her mommy enter, just know say you can't win.
I know that I cannot win. But it's possible that I can win. It's possible. There are possibility that when you drop 2 lions, somebody will give me like 10. If you drop 5 universe, somebody will give me like 50 universe. So there's that possibility. Anything can happen. Everybody can be a winner.
Even Joseph the dreamer. So I'm not sure say a dream rich.
It go happen, no. It go happen. No be joke. Before you know, boom, they don't give me.
Hi, Pento, guys, now, please, now, heaven, Jehovah, heaven, please help me. God, I beg, somebody help my life. Hi, sis.
Help Mama. Where she gonna go?
Sis, thanks for the help me. Sis, how have you been now? It's been a while. How have you been? Where she can't go? She no come see us now. Hi, Pento.
This one you go win. Now so I go just did the look you as they win.
Thank you. I'm okay.
I think I dated somebody from Edo. No, not Edo. Delta. So you're the one that taught me how to greet Migwa.
Good morning, sir. are you still here?
Let her come
Now
also.
maybe now she go dey find us.
Let her come. Oh. Maybe you can invite her at your end. Maybe she receive a call. Oh God. Guys, let's tap. Nobody's even watching me. Hey God. It's not fair now. Why nobody's watching me? Why?
Yeah. It's not funny, oh.
Okay, it's because it's morning time. Everybody's busy, I guess.
It's not like that. Anybody that remember you good.
Some people are just coming and going. If I've I'm also Woo! So Mama, so how you doing now?
Hi. Truthfully,
This one you look like my mother. See our face. She's gonna be you born me.
You say what?
She's gonna be you born me.
When we are not even from the same state.
Look at your face. Look at my face now. Just look where. Stay stable like this.
We are not even from the same state.
Look at our face. You see? Mommy, well done, oh. Mommy, do. It's not. How do you say well done in your language?
Similar to somebody in my comment section say we do look similar to.
You see? I talk am. Now my mama be this.
For real?
Now my mama be this, so I no get another one. Now my mama be this, so I no get another one. Now my mama be this, so. Now my mama be this, so.
Don't mind this my code. He's just a funny guy.
Now my mama be this, so.
Or maybe because I'm on low cut, that's why we look similar.
Mommy, leave that thing. Mommy, leave that thing. Leave that thing. Leave that thing.
Yeah, you have the same nose.
You see? Now my mama be this, so I no get another one. Now my mama be this, so. Hey! Oluwa. Thank you, oh God. Thank you. Thank you. I don't see my mama for TikTok. At least now I can breathe. Let Vicky come and testify. Vicky, where are you? Come, oh. Come and testify that what I'm saying is true. Pam, pam, pam. Let's play again now.
I can't find her. Maybe she went.
Yeah, maybe she went off here. Because I think she got a call. Then she left. See, Mama, me, I will be your last born. Me, na last born. Na last born. Na last born. Oh. Even your baby is 2 weeks. Me, na last born I be. Last born. I no struggle any position with anybody. Your last born, may them give me na day I go day. If they born another one next tomorrow, na last born me I go day. Na day I remain. Last born. Abi, no be so.
Don't worry, when Vicky come, Vicky go judge that one. Now she go do the final judgment.
Mama, see, even your viewers there, they are even confirming that
No. See Vicky come first. Now Vicky go finalize that judgment.
Lulu Vibes, welcome. Even your viewers are confirming that and this. Lulu, how are you? Welcome, Lulu Vibes.
Okay. Oh.
Thank you, Lulu. Thank you. Me say I get hope. Go and give to her mommy too. Go and give to her mommy.
You get hope. Tomorrow.
Go and give to her mommy so that she will not deny me.
Wahala, oh.
Lulu, have fun. How you doing?
Wahala.
Thank you for the gift. Go and give to my mommy.
Hi, Bimbo. Bimbo, thanks for joining.
Lulu, how is Lagos? Abi Abuja. Pam pam pam. Tam 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 tam. Let me share this live. At least I will see one destiny helper that will come and help my destiny. Yeah, man, give me 7 lions and 35 universe. At least I will use that one whole body. 7 lions, 35 universe. 2,000.
For that page.
That's good. That's very, very good.
Hi, Lulu.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, darling. Thanks for the likes.
Lulu, thank you. Go and support my mommy. Do so that she can win me. Oh. Please, I want to eat food.
No, don't do so that I win. Let him win, oh.
Do so that my mommy will win me. Oh.
Let him win, oh.
Lulu,
He
thank
has
you.
One winning streak. Thank you, my darling. God bless you. Appreciate.
Yeah, Lulu, thank you.
Lulu has taken my gift gallery for Rosie, so God bless you, my dear. I'm super dope grateful.
Lulu, thank you. Lulu, kama juru. Lulu Muhana. Focus Jones. Focus Jones, how are you? Oh, well, Lulu. Lulu, don't scatter ground, though. Thank you. Wow. Hey, there, Abuja. It's Abuja now. Me and Dave Boko. So far, how far now? Tomorrow never. Where she come?
Where she come?
And send money now. Make I send to her now.
I think about 5K.
Okay.
I'm about to think from Burkina Faso.
Wow.
I'm following Canada Soccer TV.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm doing one time.
Thank you. Thank you, Lulu, for allowing me to win my mommy. Bama be church.
Yeah, I'm not that. I want to know 5K.